Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make Desi Kimchi. This guide simplifies the process, allowing you to create a delicious, fermented cabbage dish right in your kitchen. We'll focus on using ingredients commonly found in Indian households, ensuring an accessible and flavorful experience. Get ready to enjoy a unique twist on a classic, packed with wonderful probiotics and vibrant taste. To begin your Desi Kimchi journey, you'll need a few key ingredients. Start with 1 medium cabbage, either napa or regular, cut into bite-sized pieces. Add 1 large radish, 2 carrots, and about 10 spring onions for a delightful crunch. For the flavorful paste, prepare a 1-inch piece of ginger, 10 garlic cloves, and 3 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. Don't forget 1 small apple, 3 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3/4 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of soy sauce, and 3/4 cup of tomato ketchup. The preparation is straightforward. Begin by salting your chopped cabbage and radish with 3 tablespoons of salt, letting them sit for about 1 to 2 hours to draw out moisture. Next, rinse these vegetables thoroughly 3 times under cold water, then squeeze out all excess liquid. Now, create your vibrant paste by blending the ginger, garlic, red chilies, apple, onion, vinegar, and tomato ketchup. Finally, combine this aromatic paste with your drained vegetables, mixing well to coat every piece evenly. Once your kimchi is mixed, pack it firmly into clean, airtight glass jars, leaving about 1 to 2 inches of space at the top. Let it ferment at room temperature for 1 to 5 days. Warmer temperatures will speed up the process. Taste your kimchi daily to find your perfect balance of sourness and tang. When it reaches your desired flavor, transfer the jars to the refrigerator to slow down fermentation and enjoy your homemade Desi Kimchi for several weeks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.